I've also learned a lot about possibly doing this for myself and investing in properties and growing legacy for my family.
What I gleaned from this was hope on the first day, and it was just two little words. That was one word that Jana said, and she said, we do rent to rents. Took me a few minutes, but I got it. What rent to rents means for me is that in my staging company, I can step into having my own book of business as a company that's struggling financially that will then give me more money to keep going. I just have hope now, and that's what I asked God for, and that's what I got.
I've learned so many good takeaways. I'm interested in what I can do with my own house that I live in right now, because she gave me some good ideas about that. I got some good ideas about, well, right now I'm a realtor, so I'm going to need to find me a stager. I got some course plans that I need to play out, some steps to get there, and hopefully end up with the 10 properties that will get me to $1 million really soon.
If you're interested in learning more about short-term rental and how to start your own business or serve the business, join us for our next workshop. We're actually going to tour properties together and go through our 85-page workbook and network with like-minded professionals just like you. Make sure you sign up and reserve your ticket today.
Come on.